Hello, Professor Howard. Here's my project check-in for the week. So far, everything looks great. I've gotten the flashlight to, at the very least, look how I want it to, except for figure out how to add like ambient fog or something so that you can't just see the flashlight the entire time. I had that scratch sound now tied to a trigger, though it plays immediately, and I can't figure out why that is. This part works properly. I can't turn it back on, and then it comes back red, and then you turn it on and off, it still is red. I'm still not sure how to get the light to flicker properly. I haven't read the feedback since I've been a bit busy this week. And this part of the hallway is still super bland, other than it's slowly closing in. So that's mostly what I've had. Really, it's just these two triggers right here. This one also is tied to an audio trigger that plays twice, once periodically and guaranteed to play whenever you're there. The only other thing I need to add is a couple other ambient audio clips that start playing once you reach parts of this part of the hallway. And again, I need to figure out how to add that fog. I think like volumetric fog is a thing you can add, so I'll have to look for that. Here's my scripting for the spotlight. This is just bound to left click right now, since I'm not using left click for anything else at the moment. And here's the trigger for that for the red light. It took me quite a bit to figure out how to get this to work properly. Now I'm going to change this real quick and set this to about 10, no, let's go 5 seconds. That'll work a bit better. That's all for my check-in this week.